press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, how are you? I hope all are fine. In our previous class, we have discussed about the lesson means of transport. In that lesson, we already discussed some important points: introduction of means of travel and transport, and man is a social being. So, introduction, the man was living in the forest, and also he was eat raw meat and vegetables, leaves, fruits, and also he learned taming the animals, and he would migrate in search of food place to place. Yes or no? Yes. And also he learnt growing his own food for his survival. Yes. And when he got from growing crops and goods, he used tamed animals to transport. And also, when goods are more, so that time he invented a wheel. Yes. And man is a social being. He is live in society where the people around him, and he meets many peoples in everyday life. He loves to make friends, explore new places, and he traveled to meet their relatives and friends. And also he traveled to got jobs, business purpose, and recreation, like that. So these are the introduction of means of travel and transport, and man is a social being. Now in this class we will study about the different means of transport. Yes, today in this class different means of transport. Yes, we can see in our country a good network of roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. Yes, there are 4 types of transport. One is roadway, second one is waterway, third one is airway, and railways. Yes, first one is roadways. Second, railways. Third, airways, and fourth one, waterways. Yes, these are the main important 4 type of transport system. One is roadways, second one is railways, and third one is airways, and fourth one waterways. Now in this class we will study about first means of transport, roadways. Okay children, first one, roadways. Roadways means the vehicles which run on roads are called roadways. The vehicles which run on roads are called roadways. Run on roads, road ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ vehicles, road transport. Okay, for example, bicycle, motorcycle and scooter and auto rickshaws and van and buses. These vehicles are run on roads. Yes, they take people to different places. So these are vehicles take people to different places. And also heavy vehicles are also there. For example, van, trucks and lorries carry goods by road. Yes, roadways ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಾರಿ, ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ರನ್ ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ are called roadways. Examples: bicycles, scooters, auto rickshaws, motorcycles, vans and buses. And heavy vehicles also there, like vans, lorries and trucks. These vehicles carry goods by road. Okay children? And roads also have highways. Roads also have highways. Here highways means a main road, one connecting the big city or town. Highways ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆದ್ದಾರಿಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈವೇಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ a main road, one connecting the big city or towns. Yes. Highways. Okay, these highways means a main road and one connecting the big cities or towns. Okay, now we will study about these highways. There are mainly two types of highways. There are mainly two types. Okay, one is national highway and second one is state highway. So first one, national highway and second one, state highways. Okay, so there are mainly two types of highways. One is national highways and second one is state highways. So here highways means a main road. Already I told, a main road. First one, national highways. So the main roads in India, okay, the most important roads in India are called national highways. The most important roads in India so are called national highways. They connect between state capitals and cities, towns and ports. Understood? Yes, these national highways connect the state capitals. For example, Delhi. So Delhi is the India's capital and Delhi to Kolkata. Kolkata, West Bengal capital. Okay. So Delhi and Kolkata. Okay. And another one example means Mumbai, Maharashtra capitals, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu capital. These national highways connect between the state capitals and also the cities and towns. And ports. Ports means ports ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂದರುಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The place where ships landed. The place where ships landed. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಡಗುಗಳು ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದೆನ್ by whom these highways are built and maintained, particularly national highways. By whom these highways are built and maintained? Yes, there are built and maintained by the central government. Understood? Yes, central government. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇಸನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇಸ್. Two types of highways. One is national highway and second one is state highway. This national highways represented by as NH1, NH2, NH1, NH2 and NH3, NH4, so on like. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್, ಎಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇಸಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ಆ ಥರ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, NH2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ NH2 means that these two capitals like Delhi and Kolkata. So Delhi and Kolkata, these two capitals, in between these two capitals the following cities, like we are showing like this. So Delhi and Kolkata. Okay, in these two capitals, in between these two capitals the following places are connecting. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ನಡುವೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಿಟಿಗಳು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಗ್ರಾ, ಅಲಹಾಬಾದ್, ವಾರಣಾಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಸನ್ಸೋಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ NH1, NH2, NH3, NH4. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ giving example NH2. Understood? So NH2, this highway connect between the two state capitals. In between these state, the following places like Agra, Allahabad, Varanasi and Asansol. Okay, so Agra, Allahabad and Varanasi and Asansol. Okay, these places connect between the Delhi and Kolkata. Understood? Yes. And also state highways. A second one, state highways. The highways which connect villages to towns and cities. These highways are called state highways. And same thing, these state highways also represent like the KASH1, KASH2. Karnataka means state means in our Karnataka, within the Karnataka. Okay, KASH1, KASH2, KASH3 like. Now we will take one example, KASH25. Okay, so these highways connect the cities mainly Ballari, Davangere and Shimoga. Understood? So these state highways connect between the cities like Ballari and Davangere and Shimoga. Okay, mainly the highways connect, the state highways connect villages to cities and towns. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಏನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು KA/SH25, KA ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, SH ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೈವೇಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಹೈವೇಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೈವೇಗೆ ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ KA/SH25. It's connect between the cities like Ballari and Davangere and Shimoga. Understood? So like that. So these are the highways, two types of highways, national highways and state highways. National highways, the most important roads in India are called national highways. State highways means the highways connect villages to towns and cities, and also national highways are represented by the NH1, NH2, NH3, NH4 like that, and same thing as well as state highway also. So KA/SH1, KA/SH2, KA/SH3 like that. Understood? And according to construction roads, according to construction roads can be classified into two types of roads. Understood? Construction, according to construction can be classified into two types of roads. One is metalled roads and another one is unmetalled roads. Yes, metalled roads. First one, metalled roads. Second one, unmetalled roads. And metalled roads, first one, according to construction can be classified into two types of roads. One is metalled roads and second one is unmetalled roads. First one, metalled roads. These metalled roads also called Pakka roads. Pakka roads. Pakka roads. And these are made up of stone, cement and tar. Okay. In these roads, the means of transport is only buses, cars, scooters, bicycles like that. Understood? And unmetalled roads. Metalled roads means these are made up of stone, cement and tar, also called Pakka road. Unmetalled roads, these roads are not made up of stone, cement and tar. These roads are rough, can sustain. Sustain means less weight capacity. These roads are rough and can sustain less weight. Understood? These roads are laid in villages. Understood? Laid means put down. Okay? Put down. Andre laid, andre kalape. Understood? And also unmetalled roads we also call kacha roads. Yes, kacha kacha roads. Metalled roads are also called pakka roads, and unmetalled roads also called kacha roads. And with respect to development, a country should have good quality roads. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ವೆಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ರೋಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿಟಿ ತುಂಬ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ with respect to development, a country should have good quality roads, and also they are also a great help of. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಡ್ಸ್, ಫೆಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವೇಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರವಾಹ, ಫೆಮೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಷಾಮ, ಬರಗಾಲ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಕಂಪ. ಸಡನ್, ವಯೋಲೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್, ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಡ್ಸ್, ಫೆಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವೇಕ್ಸ್. Goods are transported fast and people are rescued quickly. Goods are transported fast. ರೋಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ಲಡ್, ಫೆಮೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ people are rescued. Rescued means save. Rescued means, underline that word, rescued means save quickly, and also we can save our time if we have good quality roads. Understood? Okay. So this is the, according to construction we can classify it into two types of roads. One is metalled roads and second one is unmetalled roads. Understood, children? And so these roads, the vehicles which run on roads are called roadways, and roads also have highways. There are mainly two types of highways, national highways and state highways. So national highways means our main roads connecting the state capitals, towns and cities and ports. State highways means the connect the city, village to city and town. Understood? And also according to construction, roads are classified into two types. One is metalled road and another one is unmetalled road. Metalled road also we called pakka road, and unmetalled road we called kacha road. ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೆಯೋದು ಮೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋನಿಂದ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾರಿಂದ ಅದು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಚ್ಚಾ ರೋಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕಳಪೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಫ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ವೇಟ್, ತುಂಬ ಹೆವಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ವೇಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, next transport, railways. India has one of the largest railway network in Asia. Largest railway network in Asia. ನಮ್ಮ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ. Understood? Railways connect almost all cities, towns and big cities. The total length of the railways in India is 64,000 kilometers. 64,000 kilometers. Understood? At the time of independence. At the time of independence, trains were run by steam engine. When it is at the time of independence, train were run by steam engines. Steam engines are not so fast as compared to diesel and electric engine. ಸೊ ರೈಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ತುಂಬ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಲ್ವೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ towns and cities. The total railways in India is the total length of railways in India is 64,000 kilometers in India. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಲ್ವೇಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 64,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, 64,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರನ್ನು ಅದು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ roadways, the different means of transport. One is roadways, second one is railways, third one is airways, and fourth one is waterways. So, and roadways and railways. So, next we will continue this topic, railways. Okay children, thank you.